Hi, this is Ryan Klein, Market My Market, and I'm going to be doing a video series, pretty extensive one, I believe, on how to perform a digital marketing audit yourself. And pretty much we're going to go step by step with each and every facet of how we do it here internally, and pretty much all the guidelines and the processes to be able to do it yourself if you'd like to perform it. And I think that we came up with this during the downtime that a lot of lawyers and other business owners have during the COVID pandemic. And this is something we've done for some of our clients in the past. Uncovered a lot of great opportunities, able to use some of our knowledge and expertise to uncover some of the things that might have been a little bit fell short for the website, some things that could have been improved, some things that perhaps haven't been updated since algorithm updates, several of them. We typically encourage people to do this at least in some respect annually, just simply because, you know, it's good to update the website in a lot of different ways, whether it be like on-site optimization, refreshing content, and then just kind of adhering to how Google algorithm updates change. And then, you know, websites evolve, and it's just good to do these things every once in a while. So you can see here that we have a table of contents, which is pretty much foreshadowing everything we'll be covering pretty much a video by video basis, covering one topic at a time. You can see here that we break it down into multiple categories. So we're going to have search index review. That's going to be pretty much analyzing how Google and other search engines index your website. Content review, seeing if it's the best approach, seeing if you're adhering to the best practices, not just algorithm updates, but also EAT standards and just evolution of what Google looks for in content, and also what users are looking for when they're finding information on a website. On-page SEO review, a lot of people are familiar with, you know, your meta information, your title tags, internal, external links. There's a few other things that we're going to be delving into here. Usability review, you know, how do people interact with their website? What's behavior flow like? What do people really look at when they go to your website? They're going straight to an about us. They're learning about you, practice areas. They're looking at testimonials, reviews, going to contact us. What are the best practices? What does it look like on mobile? So imagine all that. Some technical SEO review, structured data and schema. Huge, as if we're talking about this, April of 2020, schema opportunities are very bountiful at the moment. We're in the process of doing FAQ schema, for example. Some things are on the in, presented results differently in SERP. Some things are maybe on their way out, like we're speculating that review schema that's been around for quite some time might not exist in the near future. So going over that. Offsite audit, looking at citations, directories, backlinks are huge. Here at Market My Market, and here, you know, me professionally of doing SEO for quite some time, almost a decade at this point. Backlinks are one of the most nebulous and vague aspects of SEO. But as we know, SEO is really broken down into three main categories: on-site optimization, content, backlinks. I like to call it authority building as well, but you know, backlinks are a huge facet that a lot of people don't get right, and we're going to be analyzing that. In addition to that, we're going to go over how we do our competitive analysis, how we look at competition for opportunities as far as user experience, backlinks, content, topics, optimization practices. We cover that. And then pretty much how we prioritize and allot time to take care of these things. So this is going to be the overview. We're going to do it step by step, and hopefully you get a lot from this.